Trains. Trains are great. They must be the best way to travel. It's so nice sitting on the train seat, stretching your legs and looking out the window. I love looking at the world go by from the train window. Taking a train in another country is even better. It's like being in a movie. I've always loved trains. I love the sound, smell, and motion. Usually, catching a train means going somewhere nice. Most of my train journeys have been to different cities, often on vacation. I'm not so keen on commuter trains, especially crowded rush-hour subway trains. Everybody looks miserable because there's no space and people are on their way to work. My dream is to take all of the world's great train journeys